Atomic Structure by Dikshita, Class 8A2. Before the atomic theory. The people who spoke about atom: Dalton, William Crook, J. J. Thomson, Millikan, Goldstein, Rutherford, Bohr, and James Chadwick. Dalton's atomic theory. All matter is made up of atoms. Atoms are indivisible. All atoms of a given element are identical in mass and properties. Compounds are formed by the combination of two or more different kinds of atoms. He also gave a brief explanation about laws of conservation of mass. William Crookes. Crookes is responsible for reconstructing the cathode ray. He discovered the element thallium. He also showed there is a negative charge in atoms. He invented Crookes tube or cathode ray tube. J. J. Thomson. Thomson is also credited with finding the first evidence for isotopes. His research in cathode rays led to the discovery of electron. He pursued further innovations in atomic structure exploration. Millikan. What did Millikan discover about the atom? The Millikan's oil drop experiment. An experiment performed by Robert Millikan 1909 determined the size of the charge on an electron. He also determined that there was a smallest unit charge or the charge is quantized. Goldstein. Goldstein concluded that in addition to electrons or cathode rays, that travel from negatively charged cathode towards a positively charged anode, there is a ray that travels in the opposite direction from the anode towards cathode. Because these rays pass through the holes or canals in cathode, Goldstein called them canal rays. He discovered protons. Rutherford. He is well known for foil experiment, in which he demonstrated that the atom has a tiny and heavy nucleus. Rutherford designed an experiment to use alpha particles emitted by radioactive element as perhaps to see unseen world of atomic structure. He discovered nucleus. Bohr. Electrons should move around the nucleus but only in prescribed orbits. When jumping from one orbit to another with lower energy, a light quantum is emitted. The main problem with Bohr's model is that it works very well for the atoms with only one electron like hydrogen and helium, but not at all for the multi-electron atoms. James Chadwick. James Chadwick played a vital role in the atomic theory as he discovered the neutrons in atoms. Neutrons are located in the center of an atom, in the nucleus along with protons. They have neither a positive nor a negative charge, but they contribute the atomic weight with the same effect as a proton. The subatomic particles of an atom: electron, electrically charged particles; neutron, neither positive nor negative; protons, positively charged particles. Nucleus is in the center containing both neutrons and protons. The End by M. Dikshita.